Hello everybody, Sandesh here back again with another video, and today's video is gonna be quite interesting because today in this video we're gonna see how we can upload our malicious codes or malicious files in our DVWA, which is the damn vulnerable web application. So in my VMware workstation I have a Linux distribution which is running, Debian based Linux distribution running here, and you can see the security of this DVWA is set to high. So firstly I will show you how you can upload a malicious code in the low security format, and then slowly I will shift myself to medium, and finally I will shift myself to high security, right? Firstly, let me show you how you can upload a file to the low security, right? So you can just browse the file, and you can see I am running a metasploitable 2 here, and here I'm running this damn vulnerable web application from that metasploitable IP address. And as you know, it has by default different vulnerable machines, so we will talk about it later on someday. So just now we can, okay, firstly let me shift myself to the full screen, and now let me browse. Okay, now I have here malicious code name hero.py, which is a Python file. I will click on open. Here is a file. I'll just click on select. I will to say upload, and you can see it was successfully uploaded. And right, you can see it was uploaded to 2 directory back. You can see if you go to 2 directory back, that means this upload will be cut out, and vulnerabilities that will be also cut out. And you can see it is under hackable and uploads and hero.py, so that is present inside that DVWA directory. So this is how you can upload this malicious file when you have low security level. And now if you shift yourself to medium or high security level, you need a intercepting or man in the middle device that will act, that is gonna intercept your request. So as you know this, let me show you the source code here, and you can see it only accepts mainly the. Firstly, let me shift myself to medium security level. Okay, now I'll submit it. I'll click on upload. I'll click on this view page. So you can see, okay, this is the backend code, but you cannot see this backend code in all of the cases. But in this time, I will just show you to make you more clear. You can see it only supports this JPEG format. So we have this Python file over here, so let me show you. Okay, we have it on the documents directory, so I will just copy it here and paste, and I will rename this to, okay, rename here it is .jpg. So this is the file format that was supported by our medium vulnerable, I mean to say DVWA file uploading. So I will just browse and select this JPEG first, but before that I will use a interceptor named burp suite. So you can see I will just shift to proxy. Oh, intercept is on here, so I will shift it to workplace 1. I will go to workplace 1, and here I will use the manual proxy configuration, and I will use this IP address and port number. And then, so firstly let me browse and select this, open, and then when I will try to upload it, I will just on the intercept. So now I will just click on upload, and you can see this JPEG. This, let me increase the font size so that you can see it more clearly. Okay, now I hope you can see. Okay, just a minute, right? Okay, I think that's too small, right? Okay, let me increase a bit more. I hope that's fine. Okay, anyway, you just need to consider this. Okay, you can see this JPEG file is over here, and in order to execute to the server, this jpeg file cannot be executed, so we need to execute our Python file. So we can change the extension of jpeg to py. So I will just clear this jpeg and I will write py here, and I will forward this request, and you can see this was uploaded successfully, and this has the extension of py. And that's how you can upload this malicious code in your server. So you can, after uploading this, you have the full control of the server. So we will not talk about that. So that's how you can do. So intercept is off here, so let me off it, and now I will show you how you can do so in the medium security, I mean to say high security. So I will select no proxy. Here I will select this DVWA security, and I will select to high, submit it, and I will click on upload. And here you can see I had selected this high security. So I'll just browse my Python malicious file, and firstly, before uploading it, I will just show you the source code. You can see, okay, it just accept this jpg, or let me show you. Okay, you can see just accept this jpeg file which have this size less than this number. So I'm not gonna pronounce it. So you can see it just accept this type of file. So it do not matter whether we have this py extension file or something. So we just select this Python file. Okay, now we have this burp suite here. So firstly, just make our manual proxy configuration. Now that's fine. So I will on the intercept. So when I will try to upload it, it will capture our request, and you can see, and as I had shown you previously, it has saved jpeg file. So now in order to make this run this script in our backend, so you can just convert it to jpeg just by writing jpeg, and you can forward this request, and now you can see it was uploaded successfully, and now you can have the control over the backend. So this is how you can do this all kind of tasks. So hope you guys love this. So if you love this, make sure to like, share with your friends as well. So that's all for today. Thank you, bye, take care.